Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix guide access not working on iPhone or iPad. Guide access is essential to safeguard your privacy and prevent unintended actions when the others use your device. Therefore, it is frustrating if the guide access triple click isn't working to start or stop the feature and only turns the screen off. Or even when guide access is on, it still allows access to other content. Let's discuss ways to fix guide access not working on iPhone or iPad. So guys, first of all you have to do is enable the guide access on your iPhone. Guide access isn't enabled by default, so you must turn it on from settings. Besides, if you have used guide access on your iPhone before, but now it's not turning on, you may have unknowingly deactivating it. So you have to open the settings, then go to the accessibility, scroll down and go to guide access. You have to make sure that the guide access is enabled. After this, then you have to do is ensure that the accessibility shortcuts for guide access is enabled. Enabling the accessibility shortcut provides a reliable option to activate guide access whenever needed. Typically, the triple click function is set to activate guide access, but if it's not working, you can follow the steps. Simply you have to go to the tab, go to the accessibility, then scroll down and you will see your option select accessibility shortcut. Tap on it and you have to make sure that the guide access is enabled. After this, then move to the next step. Our next step is to make sure buttons are working. By default, your device assigned the triple click shortcut to start guide access. If that's not working, it might be because the button isn't working properly. So you have to make sure that the buttons are working as expected. If the buttons are still working and still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. If none of the method worked, try restarting your iPhone. It can solve more simple technical issues caused by insufficient RAM, glitches and bugs. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to update iOS version. iOS update often include bug fixes and performance improvement. So check if your device has an available update or not. If you see an update, simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on iPhone. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix guide access not working on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.